Hi, I am Anindam Mollik and you all are welcome to my channel Technical Ori. I also welcoming you on my C programming course. Our today's topic is reverse a single linked list. This is part 46. Let's start. First, I will show you that a graphical representation of a reversing a linked list. As you show, this is a single linked list. Okay, like the data, there is a total 5 nodes. The first node is data part is 10, second node data part is 20, that means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Zeroth node is then 1, 2, 3, 4. Now after reversing, if I told you that if I tell you that reverse the list, what is the result after reversing? So obviously this becomes 50, 40, 30, 20. Okay, that means this node become the first node, this node become the second node, means reverse. Thus just reversing. This is a 50 is the data of the node is 50 is the first node. Then data part of the node is 40, which is the second node, and the last node is yes. That means just reversing. So this is a thing we are done implement on C programming. Okay, so that is a thing how to reverse a 5 node in the single linked list. I will show first. I will show the code. For that, go to the dev C++. So for reversing, I declare a function that is void reverse list. Void reverse list. And on the choice 3, if your choice is our 3, then a reverse list function is calling. Yes, this reverse list function is calling and then break. Now, this is our function that is a void reverse list. I will trace this function. Struct node star tmp star prep star pt. That means we take the 3 pointer. One is tmp, one is prep, one is pt. Now check if head equals to null. Now this is an initial linked list. Obviously we all know that head is pointing to the initially head is pointing to the first node. So obviously our head node means head pointer is storing the address. Though it is a pointer head, but here we are used head as a node. This is a just head node. Okay, you can say it is a head node, but actually head is a pointer. Struct node type pointer. Head is storing the address of the first node. Now check if head equals to null. No, because head is pointing a node means storing the address of a node. So how can it be a null? No. Else, go to the else part. If header on next equals to null, header on next means this node. This is a head node. Next node, header on next means next node of head. So this node is become the equals to null. No, because there is a node and there is a data part and address part. How can it be a null? No, go to the else part. TMP equals to head. Now that means what is the meaning this line? That means our head node become the TMP node. In simple way, head and TMP pointing the same node. This node, first node. Head and TMP both are pointing to first node. Now, prev equals to TMP arrow next. That means what is the meaning of TMP arrow next? Means next node of TMP. Next node of TMP. That means this node. This node become now prev. That means prev is now pointing the second node. Now, so now again in the third line, TMP arrow next equals to null. This means that what is a TMP node? This means next part of the TMP is assigned with null. Means this node is a TMP node and we are assigned this part as null. Means this is the only one node. That means this is a completely deleted. Just okay, just from this list like thing. Okay, means just this node next means first node is our next is pointing to null. While prev arrow next not equals to null. Prev arrow next means this node. Prev node is this. Prev arrow next means this node. not equals to null. Obviously not equals to null because there is a node, there is a data part, address part. So how to be a null? Now, if true, if your condition is true, go to the body of while loop. Pt equals to pre-varo next. Pt equals to pre-varo next. That means pre-varo next means this node. So this become Pt. So Pt is now pointing here. This is the thing. Prev is now this is a prev node. It's a Pt node. Okay. So Pt is become the pre-varo next. Means next node of prev. So Pt is now pointing here. Prev is pointing here. Okay. Data part of prev is 2 and Pt data part is 3. Next, pre-arrow next equals to 10. Now, pre-arrow next equals to 10. What does it mean? Means next part. Means after that prev node, we are adding or linking the next part with TMP node. That means this is after the linking of next part of the previous to temp or TMP. This list become this. First is 2, that is the, then after that 1. Now, TMP equals to prev. Now TMP is means prev is now become the prev is become the TMP. So this is a prev. Now TMP is pointing to this 2. This node means first TMP is pointing here. Okay. Now this line means TMP equals to prev means now prev become TMP. That means what is the prev? Prev is now pointing here. Now this node become the TMP node. So TMP is pointing here. Prev equals to Pt. Prev equals to Pt. That means prev, what is prev? This become the prev now. So now, okay. Now prev equals to Pt. Prev equals to Pt. So prev, what is the prev? What is the prev? Prev. What is the prev part? Now on this line, I will again tell the thing. Okay, on this while body of while loop. Pt equals to pre-varo next. What is the Pt? Yes, this part. Pt equals to pre-varo next. Means obviously right. These are right. Next, pre-varo next equals to temp. Pre-varo next equals to temp. That means this is pointing to temp now. Okay. Means this node. The next part of the prev is pointing to the TMP. This after updating the list become this. Okay. Now TMP equals to prev. TMP equals to prev. TMP equals to prev now. So what is the TMP? Yes. TMP equals to, that means prev. In simple way, this line means the prev become the TMP. So this is a prev. Now this become is pointing on the TMP. Now this node become the TMP node. Or this prev is point. What is a prev pointing? This node is also pointing by TMP. Prev equals to Pt. That means what is a Pt? Pt is now pointing here. This is now prev. So pre-varo next equals to temp. So pre-varo next means temp. Temp is, what does it mean by temp? This node. So obviously it's a linking. So our final list becomes this. This is the tracing of the code. Thank you. Please practice and tracing. Okay. Thank you.